people, I hello. This na Tafia News. On akukuma sabi say Tafia News na the ogbonge tori where everybody dey fit hear and understand. And today, na me una brother Vol.4 Michael dey knack una the tori. Before na go hear the abodi and the ifuku wey dey inside the tori, make una first hear the cap wey the tori dem wear. Nigerian Super Eagle don go South Africa go win this year's Nation Cup wey dem play for that side. The oga patapata dem wey dey lead the people wey dem dey call Actors Guild of Nigeria for Spain don go visit oga Madam Bianca Ojukwu wey be the new Nigerian ambassador for Spain. Time don reach for the special cinema of the new film wey dem dey call The Pastors for inside Alcorcon for Madrid. This na the abodi and the fuku when dey the matter. The new boys when our ogbonge coach wey dem dey call Stephen Keshi put together wey dem dey call the Super Eagles of Nigeria don play ball so they don win African Cup of Nations for Nigeria. The final ball wey dem play so with Burkina Faso for South Africa, na im dem win 1-0 wey give dem the cup. Many people don praise Stephen Keshi wey be the oga patapata of the team for the team wey im do. They still put am join say na im be the second person for Africa wey don win the cup both as player and coach. Tafia News still remember say when the competition just start, no name when people no call these Super Eagles them. They don't call them the Super Chickens of Nigeria, even call them the Super Eagles. But thank God say these boys don't prove themselves so they don't win the cup to show the world say na them be the real Super Eagles of Nigeria. The oga patapatas them wey dem dey call executive wey dey lead the people wey dem dey call the Actors Guild of Nigeria for Spain don go visit oga Madam Bianca Ojukwu wey be the new Nigerian ambassador for Spain. The visit na wetin oga Madam Bianca Ojukwu happy put well sake of say the people ready gidigba to work with her for everybody betterment. She talk say na all body she take support them for their new film wey dem dey call The Pastors as dem wan begin put am for cinema for everywhere for Europe. Time don reach for the special cinema of the new film wey dem dey call The Pastors. The cinema wey our people dey call sit down look and enjoy go shele for inside Alcorcon for Madrid. This na wetin our special Vol.4 and Tatafo people talk join the matter.
My people, the people where they call the Actors Guild of Nigeria for Spain, where we say now then they make cinema for this country, Spain. They don't ready to want through with their ogbonge new cinema where they call The Pastors. The Pastors now the newest cinema where these people don't release, where we say it is shake everywhere for Europe now. And now on Sunday, the 10th of March, now they want throw away this thing. Now big thing where won't happen, so we say everybody for across Europe, even far beyond, they come. The thing wey won't happen that day now magic. You go dress well. Not waiting be premiere, not be launching, not be baby dedication, not be obituary. They won't do premiere. You go dress well. You go show body how you find rich. Now that day won't happen. Now for this fine center where you see here, so this one they call Los Pinos. This place now for inside Alcorcon, near the park where they call La Ribota, Parque La Ribota for Alcorcon. Now Calle Los Pinos number 11. Now if you reach here, now wonderful magical thing they happen inside. The time now 4:30 p.m. on Sunday the 10th of March. And if now they come, make una dress well because now many things go happen that day. The movie go last for 2 full hours. Now go watch part 1, watch part 2. make una ready come because not be play and everybody where they come make una know say for that day paparazzi full everywhere. Paparazzi from everywhere they show. Even the one from Nigeria they show. The one from this land they show. Different television stations go there everywhere. They back. You go magic won't happen that day. So everybody make una ready. The time now 4:30 p.m. That means 4:30 for evening. The date now Sunday, the 10th of March. And everybody when they come make una ready welcome because wetin never happened for this land before. It won't happen. The story not pass like this. So my name now Olofofo Max.
This now wetin many people still dey talk. Follow join the matter.
The pastors, a must watch. Don't miss it.
The pastors, ǹjẹ́ ti rí gbọ́? Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti rí gbọ́, ẹ tètè dámọ̀ o. It's a must watch.
Hey, ọ̀rẹ́ sàpọ̀à, the pastors, wẹ́gẹ́ ẹ̀lẹ́à, ẹ̀mọ́ máa fẹ́ it's a must watch movie.
This na small matter wey dey inside the film. Make una enjoy am.
They are Christians.
I welcome you all to this church. It is well ministry.
It is a must that you must make money. No matter how you make the money.
They are pastors.
God is abundantly able to forgive us all our sins.
But they worship God differently.
You guys will not be doing your things and be giving the church peanuts. God doesn't like it.
Their major purpose is their interest, which cannot be compromised.
Don't tell me that.
The pastors, a tale of fraud.
I think you can be keeping your drugs here for safekeeping.
Desperation.
Even Bishop Thomas cannot take such things.
That's who hell with him in Jesus' name.
And clashes of interest on God's holy altar.
In the day you will hear from me. In the night you will hear from me. Thank you very much.
Someone must pay some wicked price. Yet, God must be God in his judgment.
My people, na so the tori reach for today. Na me, una country brother, Olofofo Michael, knack una the tori of today. Until we go jam again, make una remember say, person no dey use sake of say, I get money chop salt o. Wado.